I'd like to have you interrupt my lecture long enough to tell what happened to that woman, because I think it's very, very important.
We played the India tapes, about a month or 6 weeks ago to a group, and there were 16 people present, and the last tape we played was the Dictation by Chananda. And after the session was over, one of the ladies who was naturally clairvoyant wanted me to know that during the entire playing of the tape by Chananda, the words in gold letters were at the height of the eye, about the height of my eye, and she was reading 3 or 4 words in advance of each word which came off the tape recorder.
Thank you, Paul O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill is on the Board of Governors of the Theosophical Society of America, and he's a man who has spent most of his life in examining esoteric matters, and he has the most magnificent understanding of these things. And he's a good friend and a true friend of light. He's here together with his wife Patricia, and we are delighted to have them with us. And I felt that this testimony along the line of communications with the masters might be of some benefit to you, for he asked me this question. He said, how did you get that particular dictation? Well, you see, that dictation was almost what is called ex cathedra, or out of the mouth of God. In some of the dictations, my vocal cords are literally taken over by the master. This was one of the most potent manifestations of dictations.